YouTube. It has been a tumultuous journey, but now we have finally hit 100,000 subscribers, not once, but twice. Not out of choice though. So for anyone who has hit this mythical milestone, you usually get two things. One, of course, would be the check mark, which both of my channels have, and of course, the silver play button, which is in an absolutely terrible state. I don't know what happened. The delivery people handed it to me just like this. I don't know how they got it wet, but everything that you see here with all of this weird patch jobs going on is what I received from the delivery man. So without further ado, since a lot of people have been requesting for me to unbox this in front of a camera, let me show you. First, oh no! I accidentally put my first silver play button inside. Oh, let me just take it apart. My mistake. So here we, oh my god, the glare. The glare is something to behold, but at least it's proof that it's extremely shiny. But here we are, the new Crinacle Plus plaque alongside the Crinacle plaque. Surprisingly, there's not a lot else that goes into this package. There is also a letter that is literally just a pre-generated piece of text. If you would like to read the rest of it, just pause the video right here. But literally, I do not care about this at all. So thank you, Susan, but another one. Creator Awards. Nah, it's just more promotion for them. But okay, with that out of the way, I can finally throw away this piece of shit packaging, which as you can see, is soft as shit. Now, back to the actual unboxing, which is just the simplest thing in the world. Wow! Silver play button. I don't know what else there is to show. Completely functionally identical between the two, except the difference here is that here we have the Crinacle channel, rest in peace, and of course the new channel, Crinacle Plus. So I guess the big question now is, where exactly does the second plaque go onto my wall? And for that question, I would leave it to Desk Crinacle. Please take it away.
I think I can make it work.
Some markings here. Kind of. Yeah. Well, let's hope this works. Don't fail me now.
It's one.
That's one.
Hooks are on. Hooks are on. Hooks are on.
I'm gonna need to change the hooks out from this one. I think we bought the wrong size. Oh my god, it looks absolutely terrible. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I think the hooks are kind of like fucked up. We fucked up on the hook size there.
I mean, it's not terrible.
I'm definitely gonna switch out the hooks on this one, but good enough. Good enough. Well, all that said and done, back to you, past Crinacle.
So as you all know, I used to have an old channel by the name of Crinacle, without the plus. And in that channel, I experienced just rapid growth. Extremely fast. I think I started my first video in August and I got my first 100,000 subscribers on Christmas miracle. But at the same time, I also did quite a lot of giveaways, which a lot of people initially attributed to my rise in subscribers. And with my second round, with the Crinacle Plus channel, with 0 giveaways, I think I have proven that giveaways had absolutely nothing to do with my subscriber count. But at the same time now, I wish to continue the giveaways, so I'm just going to do the giveaways anyway. To make this a momentous occasion, I am going to be giving away every single one of my collabs, barring that one single one. You know which one. We'll be giving away 15 zeros, 10 Diokos, 5 eclipses, 5 midnights, what comes after that? 3 dusks, and 1 dawn. I think that should be it, but then some of my colleagues from Mecha Store apparently want to give away a keyboard as well, but I'm not sure if that really gels well with my audience. So if you want free keyboards, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll just throw them in, just because. But for real, I must be super thankful for everyone who have subscribed to both of my channels, who have revived my YouTube career after my initial one kind of ended abruptly. But for all of you, I hope to be able to churn out more content, even though in the back end I've been getting kind of busy, and video content unfortunately has to be shafted a little bit lower down the priority poll. So for those who want to join in the giveaway, the steps to do so is pretty much the same for the other giveaways that I've hosted in the past. So the first step that you have to do is just go and visit my YouTube channel. You don't have to subscribe. I think a lot of people got it wrong in the first few batches, where they thought that you had to subscribe in order to get an entry. That's not the case. You only have to just visit my channel and that's it. But at the same time, since you're there, just click the subscribe button, right? The second way that you can join is just to follow me on Twitter, and that gets you a second entry. But if you don't have Twitter, you still have the first entry from, again, visiting my YouTube page and nothing more. So good luck to everyone, to the future winners. I hope you enjoy your new toys, and to all the rest of the losers, well, I hope you enjoy the journey. And of course, now it's time to thank my big money boys. For all the big money boys who have subscribed to my $20 tier, here you are, that's covering my face right now. And for those who have subscribed to the $30 tier on my Patreon, allow me to speak out, again, your beautiful names: Dennis McMadface, Laughing Psychonaut, HK57, TJ Daily, Noof, Charlie Rowe 222, The Angry Persian, crinacle, Alex, Lawrence, Frit, Andrew Wilson, Kevin, Nice Luigi, Nano Nandi, Unemployed, and Pitt Vanderwit. Thank you all. So I guess the next goal is quite literally 1 million, because YouTube doesn't give out any other plugs after 100k. The next step up is literally 10 added on. But regardless, thank you all for joining me on this wild and wacky journey through the YouTube landscape. And for that, see you next week, and don't die. Fuck off.